sweet friends. Welcome back to Mary's Nest. I'm here with my sweet husband Ted, and as I shared with you earlier, I was sick over Christmas, so I didn't get a chance to come on and do a video with the pretty Christmas lights we have here in the Texas Hill Country. So we're here now between Christmas and New Year's, but we want to wish you a very merry belated Christmas, and of course a very happy, healthy, and blessed New Year from our home to yours.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
And now we're going to let you enjoy some of the lovely Texas Hill Country lights. Love and God bless. Christmas, y'all.
Before you go, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering what it's all about, be sure to click on my Mary's Nest playlist, and I'll look forward to seeing you over there. Bye for now.